And I'm Mahtavi. I'm very glad to be with you in this program. In this live stream, I speak about the God existence and the evidence of God existence based on scientific methods. The most scientific things in this world is mathematics. Without mathematics, we don't have any science and uh, equation and physics and chemistry and etc. Einstein said this universe is written by the uh, mathematics language. Therefore, language is the best way to understand God. The basic element of mathematics is number one. Number one has some attributes that very important for understanding God, to recognizing God. Uh, Number one is first number. Without number one, there is no beginning. If you want to begin something, you must say one. Without, and number one is the first number, and God is first object. Because mathematics reflect the reality, and if there is one in mathematics, there is something like one exactly uh, like one in nature, in uh, existence, and God is this existence. God is like one in reality. God is first object. Everything in reality, in being, starts with one. God is first object. Another attribute of one that is very important for us is that before one is nothing. Is zero. Before one is zero. It means that before God is nothing. Someone asked, who created God? Before God is nothing. Therefore, how can be created God? Nothing cannot create anything. Therefore, God has no any creator, because before God is nothing. If you want to define God, you can say God is a being that before him is nothing. Like one in mathematics, that before one is zero. Another attribute of one that is very important for knowing God is mm, that one is unit. And hello, Mr. What is before zero? Nothing. Zero is nothing. Before zero is nothing. If you want, if you want to say that before zero is a negative sign of numbers, in the negative sign, also negative numbers are begin with zero, with one. Every counting begin with one. Negative or positive is a direction, and in negative parts, everything begin with one, and in the positive, everything begin with one. And you don't start counting with zero. If you want to count your finger, you say 1, 2, 3, 4, and you don't say zero or half or 1/3 or 1/10 after that. In counting system, everything begins with one. Therefore, in reality, everything begins with one. And this one is God. Without one, without one, without God, we don't have anything else. And without one, we don't have any other numbers. Therefore, we discussed about the number one and the importance of number one in mathematics. And the Einstein said that mathematics is the language of reality, and the universe is written by the mathematics language. You understand that if we understand mathematics, we can understand reality. And in mathematics, the most important number is one. Therefore, we must understand one very deeply, very correctly. We must understand one. Another important attribute of one is that one is a unit object and one is indivisible. Therefore, God is indivisible. You can't divide God into its parts because God has one part, and you can't destroy God, because destroying means you separate something into its part, like me or you and everything else. And therefore, one is unit number and God is unit object. God is unit object and first object, and God therefore has been and will be. And God has no any change. And there is one thing in reality that has no any change, and it is God. Therefore, the only object, only being in reality that has been and will be is God, because God has no any change, like number one, because God has no any parts. God is one part and do not have any change. And one create other number. Two, you can see very easily. You can see two is one and one. Three is one and one and one. And every number is manifestation of one. Every numbers are manifestation of one. And everything are manifestation of God willing, of God willing, of God. Manifestation of God willing. Who is Kurosh? I understand. I don't know Kurosh. I am very welcome to Kurosh if he come here and I can speak with him. And it's very important for me to debate for this person. Excuse me. No, it's don't correct. And every night we have a problem with these things, and I don't know what must I do with these bad things that are if someone come in and it's very, I welcome any debate. I welcome any debate, and I want to speak with anyone you introduce for me. Hello, all of my friends in this live. Another things that I discussed about that, about the existing of God, is that astrophysics, about astrophysics. Everyone in this time knows that in about 14 billion years ago, all of the universe was compressed into one point named Big Bang point, and the universe in this time and this point was smaller than an electron. All of the universe in about 14 billion years ago was smaller than one electron, an electron. Therefore, you can set billions of billions of billions of billions universe in top of your finger. What do you, what can you understand from this fact? All of the universe is a big empty balloon. The universe is empty. The universe is empty. The universe is empty overall. The universe is empty overall. And in detail, in the quantum physics, a scientist says that the smallest part of the smallest part of the matter is a vibration. And it's and name it quantumic fluctuation, right? Quantumic fluctuation. It's a vibration. Matter and antimatter go together and come out. And when matter and antimatter go into each other, straight into each other, destroy, and they become nothing. And after that, they come out and they are matter and antimatter and two things. This vibration occurred about 10 of power, 10 to power of 44 times per minute. 10 to power of 44 times per minute, per second, excuse me, per second. Therefore, you can understand in the detail, matter is made of nothing. And overall, the universe is empty. Universe in overall is empty, and in detail is empty. Therefore, all the universe, all the being is like a dream, is virtual, and needs virtualizer. And this virtualizer must be intelligent. Therefore, all the universe is virtual, is like a dream, and and needs a dreamer, mm, and needs intelligent dreamer and intelligent visualizer. Therefore, God is exist by the quantum physics and astrophysics. Quantum physics in detail and astrophysics in overall. And I bring for you some scientific evidence about the existence of God. And if you can deny this evidence, I hope see this. Bring me some evidence that denied my assumption about the existing of God, and denied my reason. This is my scientific reason for proving existence of God in physics, astrophysics, and mathematics. Another things that I want to speak about that rules, the laws that govern the universe, the laws that governs the universe. Who create the laws that governs the laws which governs the universe? Who created them? It. Who created the laws that governs the universe? Obviously, someone can create these laws, these wonderful laws that have a very he must be super intelligent person, super intelligent people, being. Therefore, you must answer this question. If matter created these laws that govern itself, or someone intelligent, someone super intelligent being created the laws that governs the universe and manage it. Therefore, my question is, who create the laws that governs, who created the laws that governs the universe, and who manage it? These laws, who manage these laws that governs the universe? Therefore, you must answer me, and you can't say nothing but that this being must be beyond of this world, and this being must be super intelligent. Therefore, I prove for you the existence of God in several scientific way. And you must think about that, and you must answer me. Do you believe these reasons or not? If you don't believe, you must bring for me reasons. What is your reason that you can deny my evidence about the existence of God? If you want to understand God, you must think about your dream. You must think about your dream. What is your dream? What is your dream? If you have a question, please say it. Please say it. Answer, and if I can, I answer it. Please ask it. If you have a question, please ask it. Therefore, in this life, I prove God for you by the scientific, evidence, from mathematics, from astrophysics, from quantum physics, and from understanding understanding your dream about self-knowing. If you want to understand God, you think about your dream. You create your dream. You are the God of everything that you create in your dream. And you must think about that. This being, people, these people, the people who you create in your dream, how think about you? You have a dream, and in your dream there is a world. Your dream maybe is full of people, and these people are thinking about themselves and how they can understand you, the people in your dream. These words beyond us is a dream. We can't see this world directly. We are the prisoner. We are the prisoner of our mind. Our mind is a prison. And we are the prisoner of this prison. We can't go out from our mind. We can't go out from our mind. And if we see anything in the reality, this reality is the imagination, is our imagination. Therefore, if the world, everything is in our imagination, why can we deny the imagination of God? This world is in our imagination. Why do you deny that all of these are in the imagination of God? It is my evidence, and I read the comments if there is comments. All of the comments are deleted. Hello. The first, Hamid, what is before zero? I answered this question. Do you debate with Kurosh? Yes, I want to debate with everyone. If you can go to my Telegram, my address Telegram. If Mr. Hamid here, please write my address Telegram. My address Telegram is @M Davud, OOD, @M, M Dav, M Dav, OODD. You can connect with me in the Telegram. And I bring for you scientific evidence for existing of God. If you want to speak about God in scientific way, I speak in scientific way. Please answer me in scientific way. Say me, in mathematics, in astrophysics. Thank you, Mr. Hamid. Thank you. It is my address in Telegram. In mathematics, in astrophysics, in quantum physics, and in physics, about the laws that governs the universe, and about self-knowing, that in the next time I explain the self-knowing and 20 steps of Alcoholic Anonymous, 12 steps of AA about the proving of God in practice. And it is very important. In next time, I explain God in this way. Can you explain verse 29 of Baqarah, verse 30 in Al-Nazit, Al-Nizaat? Al-Naziat. I understand what you want to say. God in Quran says, God created earth and heaven. I understand your question. I said God created several level for complete this creation. The first of all is that the end, excuse me, the last part of the end of this part is that God separate a sky or atmosphere into 7 parts. Therefore, God create earth and the sky in the same time. And Quran says you can't separate these 2 things, earth and sky, from each other. After that, atmosphere expand, and God make sky from 7 parts. Therefore, in the 29 of Baqarah, God said in the end of the time, in about 3 billion years ago, God began to separate sky and separate atmosphere into 7 parts. ثم استوى إلى السماء وسواهن سبع سماوات. And God made the sky into 7 parts. And there is no wrong things in this matter. Thank you for your question. I understand. I explained about that. If excuse me, if, I hope you understand my answer. You can come into the next living live stream, and I explain it in Farsi for you if you want. I appreciate of you, and I would and say goodbye, and I invite you into my Farsi live that immediately I will begin it. God bless you. Merry Christmas.